Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, indicator used in the measurement of inter in, intra sorry indicator used in the measurement of RBC volume, red blood cell volume. Right, red blood cell volume can be determined by tagging the RBC with some radioactive elements. So tagging the RBC with chromium 51, iron 59, phosphorus 32, and also with the help of antigenic tagging, we can determine or measure the red blood cell volume. There is one more way for measuring the red blood cell volume is red blood cell volume can also be measured by subtracting the plasma volume from the total blood volume. Then we get the red blood cell volume.
thank you and thank you for watching.